Welcome to this deep dive. So I want you to imagine it's Super Bowl Sunday at a completely packed sports bar.
Oh, man.
Right. A customer asks you to put a specific game on the TV in the far corner. Sounds simple, except you have 36 different televisions mounted on the walls.
Wow, yeah.
14 different cable boxes,
Right.
plus just a drawer full of identical black remotes. Trying to route the right game to the right screen in that environment is, well, it's like trying to operate a 1920s telephone switchboard blindfolded.
It really is. That bottleneck, I mean, the moment a bartender has to stop pouring drinks to suddenly become an IT technician, that crushes a venue's operations.
Exactly.
You usually just end up with this tangled mess of wires in a back room, and the staff is, terrified to touch anything in case they accidentally change the channel on the wrong screen.
Which is exactly why we're looking at the WolfPad system from HDTV Supply today. We're going to look at how this system takes all that extreme technical chaos and just completely tames it for anyone to use.
Yeah, because instead of forcing that bartender to memorize that, DirecTV box number 4 needs to go to HDMI input 7 on TV 22.
Which is impossible, by the way.
Right, totally impossible. The WolfPad just flips the interface completely. You can route any of those 14 source devices, so your Apple TVs, Rokus, cable boxes, whatever, to up to 36 TVs using just an iPad or an Android tablet.
And they don't even make you look at a grid, right? Or like a spreadsheet of input numbers.
No, not at all. The interface is actually a customized digital floor plan of the actual venue.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you literally just look at a top-down map of your bar on the tablet, you tap the TV icon in the corner, and just select what you want to watch.
So you are basically playing The Sims Sports Bar Edition.
Exactly. That's exactly it. You tap a source, and you even get a live video preview of what's playing before you actually send it to the screen.
That is so smart.
And at the end of the night, there's just a single master button to turn all 36 TVs off.
I love that. And, the genius here isn't just the convenience of it. It's really a fundamental shift in how human brains process information.
Right, because our brains are built for spatial memory. They aren't built for holding long strings of abstract data.
Exactly. By mapping the digital controls onto physical space, like a floor plan, they just bypass our working memory limits entirely.
Which means you remove the biggest operational hurdle in bar management, which is needing a dedicated tech guy on shift. A waitress can just manage the visual environment intuitively. No frantic phone calls to the owner on a Friday night just to get the local news on.
So we have this completely seamless interface that eliminates all that tech support panic.
Yeah.
But systems that do this usually run, up to $10,000?
Easily, sometimes more.
But the WolfPad is priced at $2,875, which is a massive price cut. And they do this by doing something pretty unusual, Fry.
Yeah, they utilize pre-owned legacy Crestron rack mount controllers alongside really basic infrared cables. And you also just download the required Crestron Go app yourself.
Okay, let's break that down. What exactly is a Crestron rack mount controller?
So Crestron is basically the gold standard for high-end commercial automation.
Yeah.
And the rack mount controller is just the physical brain, basically. It sits in the back AV closet and connects all the wires.
Got it. So they're taking this older, super durable hardware and hooking it into a modern cloud-based customizer that builds the floor plan.
Exactly.
But let me push back on that setup for a second. You mentioned infrared. IR is, it's a relatively old technology, right? It relies on line-of-sight light beams.
Right.
If I have a massive commercial sports bar, isn't relying on line-of-sight a major limitation? Like, if someone walks in front of the receiver, the channel doesn't change.
It sounds like a severe limitation, sure, until you look at the mechanics of how they actually install it.
Okay.
They don't have a device beaming an infrared signal across a crowded room. That would be a disaster. Instead, the iPad talks via Wi-Fi to the Crestron brain in the closet. And then that brain sends an electrical signal down a hard wire to a tiny infrared blaster that is physically taped directly over the sensor of the individual cable box inside the server rack.
Oh, I see. So the line of sight becomes like 0 inches.
Exactly. It's 0 inches. It is completely bulletproof.
Wow. So it bridges modern cloud control with old school light beams seamlessly. That is really clever.
It's a classic example of practical engineering. Prioritizing that rock-solid legacy tech over expensive new proprietary hardware. They deliver high-end, tailored functionality on a strict budget just by trusting what already works.
Even if you never plan on managing a sports bar in your life, The WolfPad is a masterclass in user experience.
Yeah, well, but
It proves that the very best technology doesn't necessarily demand the newest microchips. It just hides sprawling complexity behind a simple, intuitive interface.
yeah, the solution to a modern problem is often just a better way for humans to interact with the tools they already have.
Exactly. So I'll leave you with this. If we can effortlessly control 36 televisions using legacy hardware, simply by reorganizing the interface into a visual floor plan.
Sorry.
I mean, if you just change the interface, what other overwhelming complex tasks in your daily life could be solved just by changing how you visualize the controls?
That's a great question.
Maybe that juggling act with your own tech isn't a hardware problem at all. Maybe it's just a design problem, waiting for a better map.